Okay, I'm with Roger from Lucky5Global, and I'm really excited about this project because as soon as I walked through his booth, it caught my attention. Roger, tell us more about what we're looking at here. What is this?
Right. So what we have right here is a new product in Canada. We're the first one to have it. It's something called an Echo board, which is a replacement for your traditional drywall. The board itself is fireproof and waterproof. As you can see here, we have different surfaces. We have the stone surface here and the matte surface over here. And over there, we have the fabric one. On the back of the board is something called a magnesium dioxide, which is similar to a cement board.
And this sort of thing, we're finding it more and more trendy with flip jobs or people looking to change up the accent walls. Accent walls have started to get a little bit dated. And this is something that really catches your eye. It feels really solid. It's got a really nice finish to it. Roger, there's a couple of boards you've got here. Can you show us the backside and explain that a little bit?
Yeah, for sure. So as you can see here, all the surface here is different. So we have the wood panel trims. The one here looks like a fabric. All the surface here is all different. But on the back, if you flip it over, the backer board itself is called something called a magnesium oxide, which if you compare it to something similar would be a cement board. So as you know, the cement board itself is going to be fireproof and waterproof. We also carry a 10-year warranty.
Very cool. Do you see, Roger, do people use this sort of thing in kitchens and washrooms as well, or is there more for an accent, do you find?
Right. So the usage for the board is definitely, there's a lot of options. We can do this in the bathroom feature walls, inside the shower, outside the bathroom. For example, offices, bedrooms, TV feature walls, fireplaces. So pretty much anywhere you want to use a fireplace, we can use our Echo board as a replacement.
Fantastic. Roger, if people want to get in touch with you, how can they connect with you?
You can actually Google our website. It's our company is called Lucky5Global. We're located in Markham.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you so much,
Good to see
Roger.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.